I absolutely love my Ultrasonic jewelry cleaner, and it doesn't just do jewelry. It can do watches, sunglasses, glasses, coins, and so much more. And it's very easy to use. It has 5 settings, and it can vibrate 43,000 times a second. Very strong and powerful, and very simple to use. All you need to do is put 750 milliliters of water, and this is what it looks like. They also have a max line up here, and this is what the basket looks like. Let me show you a close-up of how it works. It comes with this AC adapter, which measures about 5.5 feet, and all you have to do is plug this in right there, just like that, and then plug this into an AC outlet. It automatically turns on to 180 seconds. Right here is how you set it to be 300 seconds, 480 seconds, 600 seconds, or 90 seconds. And then you turn on the unit. To turn off the unit, you push the off button. Simple as that. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Right here, you're going to notice it says max to fill up. That's the max on both sides. It does say it. And this is what the basket looks like. Now this basket is perfect to also put your watch right here and let it hang so it can clean the straps. Perfect. So this will hold up to 750 milliliters of water, and we're going to put about 2 cups of water inside. And now we are going to be putting my rings inside it. So I wanted to show you what my rings look like before and then you're going to see it after. You're going to notice this topaz is very cloudy. And now we're going to close the lid. And now we're going to start it. We're going to do it for about 300 seconds. And then you push start. And as you notice, it's very quiet. And there's also a countdown too, so you're able to know how many seconds is left. However, during the process, if you want to change it, you can definitely move it to whatever setting you want. So in this case, I changed it to 480 and the timer is still going down. Now you can use this with just plain water, or you can add your favorite jewelry cleaner solution as well. Okay, so it just finished, and let me show you what it looks like. Ooh, so sparkling. And if you want, you can add hot water as well as cleaning solution as well. Beautiful. And this is so simple to use. Absolutely love it. This would also make a great gift as well. And thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.